Exercise 27. It's a system of equations with radicals. X minus y equals 2, and x plus y is x squared minus 5. Which ordered pair is a solution to the system of equations above? This question is one of the reasons why while you are actually so lucky when taking the SAT, that you are allowed to use Desmos. So I'm gonna open up a Desmos sheet, and I don't need to rearrange anything. Let me change that from Greek to English. X minus y equals 2, and then x plus y is x squared minus 5. Solution to a system means the points of intersection. Here we can clearly see that we have two such points. One is the -1, -3, and the other is the 3.1. So 3.1 is one of the suggested answers, and basically it's the right choice for this question. Too easy. Once again, remember, solving systems, we have to go to Desmos.